Al-Bahar cat rental store was established in 2002. Our fleet size ranges from 400 to 550 machines that serves the market demand whenever it goes up or down.
This is the project from Sharjah government, cutting and filling and leveling project. Actually, we have 150 machines here. Almost this is machines from Al-Bahar company. Al-Bahar company is very big company and everything from Al-Bahar company is good. All Al-Bahar machines is new and working fast and strong here on the sand.
Our fleet consists of general construction machines or small machines that are used in general construction projects like small skid steers and mini excavators, all the way up to heavy equipments or core machines that are used in infrastructure projects like 40 to 50 ton size excavators and dozers.
We have a huge fleet of rental equipment. To maintain this fleet, we have a team which takes care of all the maintenance, the repairs, the major repairs. The machines are readily available in my yard. They are kept prepped for go.
We take advantage of being the cat dealer in the territory. Most of our fleet is young. It's ranging between 2 to 4 years old. Combined with the technology developed by CAT and adopted by Al-Bahar, we bring to our customers the best solutions in the market. As for our strategy, we have a sales team that have a combined 45 plus years of experience in rental industry. They assist customers by taking their requirements and visiting the sites, making site assessments and application studies to ensure that we offer the right solution all the time.
Currently, we are doing a project in Acquaint, new industrial city area. It's a warehouse project. We have a built-up area of 30,000 square meters, and Al-Bahar cat rental machineries, they are our supplier for this project. And we have business deal with them more than, 10-15 years. And we are happy with their services, and they are very good.
As for our machines, most of them are new, as we said before. So the breakdown is something that usually doesn't happen at customer sites. And if it does, we have a well-equipped plant engineers and plant technicians that can assist customers on site almost 24/7.
Actually, why we choose this brand, one of the reasons is actually CAT, their performance, their professionalism in the work, it is not comparable with other brands. They are very good. What the client wants, they are giving. This is the first thing. And second, the sales team or the sales engineer, their, the knowledge, the technical knowledge is very sound, and they have a good engineering background, so they can understand all the technical things which is related with our project or sites.
When we need any new machines, we ask Al-Bahar company because Al-Bahar company have many new machines like the dumpers and dozers and excavators and another new machines. That's the main reason to sell it Al-Bahar's cat rental store.
Usually, rental inquiries are urgent, and thus, we try our best to serve the customers as fast as we can. We have a well-equipped plant engineers and plant technicians that can assist customers on site almost 24/7.